Get ready to experience the true spirit of Ferrari. This is the Ferrari California, an elegant open-top grand tourer with timeless design, thrilling performance, and a powerful V8 engine that delivers an unforgettable driving experience. This isn't just a car, it's a perfect mix of luxury, speed, and pure driving pleasure. Let's dive into what makes the Ferrari California a standout in Ferrari's iconic lineup. Stepping inside the Ferrari California feels like entering a world where luxury meets performance. The cabin wraps around you with a perfect blend of Italian craftsmanship and driver-focused design. The first thing you notice is the soft, supple leather upholstery, meticulously stitched by hand. The leather extends across the dashboard, seats, and door panels, creating a cohesive and elegant feel. It's not just luxurious, it's designed to age beautifully, developing character over time. The front seats are sculpted for both comfort and support. They offer multiple power adjustments, including lumbar support, ensuring the perfect driving position whether you're cruising along the coast or pushing the California through winding roads. The Ferrari logo embossed on the headrests adds that signature touch of exclusivity. As you settle into the driver's seat, your hands naturally fall on the thick, leather-wrapped steering wheel, which features Ferrari's trademark Manettino dial. This lets you adjust the car's dynamics on the fly, from comfort-oriented settings to more aggressive, sporty responses. The steering wheel also houses integrated LED shift lights, urging you to push the revs higher, reminding you that this grand tourer is still very much a Ferrari at heart. Behind the wheel, the instrument cluster stands out with a large central tachometer, flanked by two digital displays providing real-time data on performance, navigation, and infotainment. The metal paddle shifters, fixed to the steering column, have a satisfying mechanical feel when pulling through gears, enhancing the connection between driver and machine. In the center console, the infotainment system is neatly integrated, offering navigation, media, and connectivity options without overwhelming the driver. Ferrari keeps things clean and minimal here. It's intuitive, but doesn't distract from the driving experience. Below that, the F1-inspired gear selector buttons, launch, reverse, and auto, are mounted on a sleek aluminum bridge, a nod to Ferrari's racing heritage. The air vents are circular, with a metallic finish, adding to the cabin's sporty sophistication. Subtle carbon fiber trims and aluminum accents throughout the interior balance luxury with a sense of performance-driven purpose. Despite being a convertible, the California offers a surprising amount of practicality. The retractable hardtop folds neatly into the trunk in about 14 seconds, giving you the versatility of a coupe and the freedom of an open-top roadster. The rear seats, though compact, provide extra space for luggage or short trips with passengers, making it more usable than most Ferraris. All right, let me show you one of my absolute favorite parts of owning this beauty, the Ferrari California. Just look at it. The first thing that grabs your attention is that sleek, sculpted design. It's got that perfect blend of elegance and aggression. You can tell it means business, but it doesn't have to shout about it. Check out the front end. The long, muscular hood with those flowing lines that hint at the power underneath. And this front grille? Classic Ferrari. It's wide and low, giving the car a bold stance. The prancing horse right in the center is a reminder that this car isn't just about looks, it's about performance. Now these headlights, slim, sharp, and aggressive, sweeping back along the fenders. Ferrari really nailed the aerodynamic design here. Every curve and vent has a purpose. You've got air intakes that don't just look cool, but help keep the engine running at peak performance. Moving along the side profile, this is where the California really shows off that grand touring character. The proportions are perfect. Long nose, short rear deck. Exactly what you expect from a front-engine Ferrari. And just look at the sculpted sides. They give the whole car a sense of motion, even when it's standing still. The wheels are another highlight. These 20-inch alloys with the iconic yellow Ferrari center caps. Behind them, you can see the carbon ceramic brakes, which not only look incredible, but provide insane stopping power. Now the retractable hardtop. This is one of the coolest features. In just 14 seconds, it transforms from a sleek coupe into an open-top roadster. Best part? You get the best of both worlds, the elegance of a hardtop and the thrill of a convertible. Swinging around to the rear, this is honestly my favorite angle. The quad tailpipes sitting wide apart, giving it that aggressive, planted look. And these taillights? classic Ferrari circular design, paired with a subtle integrated spoiler for downforce. Plus, there's this sculpted rear diffuser. It's not just for show. It helps keep the car glued to the road at high speeds. Every detail on the California's exterior feels purposeful. It's not too flashy. It's refined, sophisticated, but with just enough aggression to remind you it's a Ferrari. The curves, the lines, the stance, it all screams performance and luxury. Depending on the model year, mileage, and condition, you're looking at a price range between $90,000 to $150,000 US for a standard California. But if we're talking about the California T, which comes with the upgraded twin turbocharged engine and some design tweaks, prices can climb to around $160,000 to $200,000 USD, especially for low mileage, well-maintained examples. Now, why is the California holding strong in the market? It's all about that perfect blend: daily drivability, Ferrari performance, and the prestige of the badge. Plus, with its retractable hardtop, you're basically getting two cars in one: a sleek coupe and an open-top cruiser. And here's some seller insight. If you find a California T handling special, that's the one to watch. These models have stiffer suspension, faster shifts, and sportier exhaust notes, making them more desirable and fetching a premium on the market. But overall, what makes the California such a smart buy right now is that it's one of the more affordable ways to get into Ferrari ownership without compromising on that authentic Ferrari experience. And let's face it, a Ferrari is always going to hold a certain level of prestige that keeps demand steady. So if you're in the market for a Ferrari that delivers luxury, performance, and practicality, all wrapped up in that iconic prancing horse badge, the Ferrari California is definitely worth a look. And who knows, prices might just start creeping up as more people realize what a steal it is right now. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more epic car content, and drop a comment letting me know which car you want to see next.